Alright, welcome back everybody. Guess what day it is? Bacon jam gorgonzola day. So we got 2 pounds of bacon, 2 white onions, a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh garlic, a half a cup of balsamic vinegar, half a cup of honey, 1 cup of strong, very strong coffee. So this is for you, Kirsten Hill, Shiloh, Dawn, and Dwayne. I know you're going to love it. Here comes the bacon jam. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Epic gorgonzola bacon jam burger tonight. Let's get it on. Hey everybody, welcome back. Bacon jam, gorgonzola burger, epic. Let's get started with the star of the show, which is bacon. The bacon jam. £2. I cut it into strips. We'll get it going out here on the black stove. What we're going to do is render this fat out of here. And then we're going to add the other delicious stuff we talked about earlier. But this is how it's going to start. It's going to take a while, so I'll meet you back here in a little bit. Still sizzling away here. Looking good. Bring it back, we get a little bit closer. We're getting there. Got to render all that off. Let it start to get a little crispy, and we'll go from there. See you later. Alright, now we're getting about down to where you want to see it. Use this a little bit more, but you can tell that all the bacon fat has engulfed the bacon. You got those really bubbly bubbles. That means most of the fat's get rendered out of there. So we're going to go in and get the stuff. We're going to finish this up. Be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I drained out probably most of the rendered fat, other than probably 3 tablespoons to say. So you can see what we got here. Delicious. Anyway, so now we start. So what I do here, 2 white onions into the mix. Get those going in there. Which I did in, I don't know, whatever you want to call them. They're just nice sliced onions. I have to break some of them up. These going in there, like so. And they're going to leach out some water, of course, so I always have to add the garlic also. Point time, 3 tablespoons garlic, fresh garlic. Don't be using that jarred stuff. Use it fresh. I mean, you can if you want. But anyway, here we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wilt those onions. Get that garlic tender. So we're building our flavor profile here. Bacon, onions, garlic. So we got started. That's where we're at right now. Let me do this outside of the black stove, by the way, because I could. It's a nice night. It might rain here. I don't know what it is with me and videos are raining, but anyway. it's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to let you go. I will be right back. Just had a little teeny weeny camera snafu. 1 cup of coffee in here right now. So we got 1 cup of coffee, strong coffee, half a cup balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary. Use a half if you don't use fresh. 1 cup packed brown sugar. Half a cup local honey. Here you go. Now what we do here is we reduce this to where it's syrupy and delicious and all incorporated. You can definitely do this on your range at home. You don't have to be doing it out here, obviously. You all know that. So there we go. So now what we're doing is we're going to pull this down to a jam consistency, or a, I don't know. We're just going to bring it together. All those flavors going in there. Medium high heat. Bring this down. I'll see you in a bit. We're just still bubbling away here. It's probably halfway, maybe a little bit, but here's what we got going on. It's still pretty soupy right now, but it's gonna get there. We'll see you in a bit. So we're probably about 20 minutes in now, and this is where it's getting. You see the color. People that have had my bacon jam before in some of the restaurants I cooked in, it's starting to look familiar. So it's got probably a good 10 minutes left. You want to get rid of most of this fluff in it, the liquid in it, which is going. But the good thing about doing bacon jam like this is the fun of the bottom of the pan is gone. So like when you were bottom of your pan's all looks burnt from the bacon you're cooking. That's not burnt. That's fun. It's called fun. It's a French thing, and it's called deglazing, which is another French thing. You add some liquid in a hot pan, it will pull that stuff off the bottom of the pan, and that's exactly what this does also. So that's just another layer of deep flavor that you get from bacon jam. It's getting dark out here. It's gonna storm. I'm gonna keep rolling though. Sorry about the lighting and stuff, but we're getting there. We'll be there before long. I'm sorry, guys. It was just too dark out there. Here's what it should start looking like. I brought it into the kitchen, so it's getting really close. See all the reduced out. There's just a little bit left in there. So I'm gonna get it pretty close to finish, then I'll bring you back. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this while I'm still here back in the kitchen. So let's pull back right here, like that. That means it's done. That means we're ready to go. This thing is done. This get it off the heat, because then you're going to just start burning. So we're done there. That's your bacon jam. Hot. We're going to pull it off and let it cool down a little bit. Alright, here's the finished product. That's my bacon jam. People who've had my bacon jam in restaurants, whatever, know exactly how that tastes and how delicious it is. It will set up a little bit more. But now we'll go get on that burger. We'll build that burger up and throw some of this deliciousness on it with some gorgonzola cheese and a fried egg. And there you got it. There's your bacon jam. The start of the show. Then we'll go throw it on a burger, make it even better. Yep, rained again. Every time I film, it rains. So here we go. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna get these bacon jam gorgonzolas going on the Blackstone here. I'm gonna do two. Probably do one to my Brit neighbor over here. He's not a Brit, but that's his name is Brit. So we'll go from there. That's what we're gonna do right now. Hey, welcome back. We're gonna get these burgers going now. The Blackstone hot over here. Salt, pepper on the burgers, of course. Throw those on there. I did get both sides of them, so they're ready to go. The buns over here, going over on this other side. Bring it a little closer like that. I only got half of this going right now. That's all I really need. And then we'll go from there. Here's the bacon jam after it's cooled just a smidge. You can see it good. So we got that. We got some wonderful gorgonzola cheese. We got a couple eggs, and we got a rainstorm. So let's get it on. Here we go. All right, I thought I'd bring you in to flip the delicious 80-20 gram chicken burgers. There we go. Really should be smashing those. I know it's smash burgers are the same, but they're just sucking the fat out of them, but whatever. I moved the buns over here to try to get a little crisp on them. Yeah, that's worked, so let's go back over here. I think they're good to go. So what we're going to do next, we're going to cheese these. Actually, I'll probably bacon jam and then cheese them. Then top it with eggs. So I'll see you back here in a bit. We'll get this epic burger finished. All right, welcome back. So we're gonna finish these off now. Here we go. Put these over. Yeah, they got a lot of color. We should have more, but here's what it is. We're gonna take this cheese. Gorgonzola cheese or blue cheese or whatever cheese you like. Cook these burgers with that. That is the start of this delicious burger. Then take some of the delicious bacon jam we worked so hard on right on the top. Don't be shy with it. This works on grilled cheese, scallops, you name it. Chicken. You put this stuff on anything. You can put it on baguettes, little baguettes, or crackers, whatever you want. So there, pile it on high. Here we go. Then we'll give it a little bit of water. Put it on our giant wok lid. There are 2 eggs ready. These right here. Why not? Boom, 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 like that. A little water there. Alright, so 2 eggs. We try to hit over easy on these. Like so. A little bit of salt. I got my pepper out here now. I hit the pepper. It's a little too hot right now. That should not be that hot, but that's what it is. That's what we got right now. So, see what these do. Those are looking. That's the way they should look. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's a burger. All right, we got our eggs over easy here. Just a little bit more time on side. They started out hot, but they kind of slowed down, which is fine. These can finish a little bit here. Cheese is melted. Bacon jam's already, obviously we just use it. You can actually throw the bacon jam on here, heat it up, throw it on there. I've done that a lot in a restaurant setting, but alright, egg. over. Egg over. They're called over easies. When I treat them as such, you want to get that egg over easy and see. Hey everybody, we're back. We're going to open this bad boy up. Bacon, jam, gorgonzola with an over easy egg. One of the best burgers you'll ever have. Let's check it out. Look at that. That yolk. Tell me that's not one of the best burgers you'll ever put in your mouth. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and all other things. Have a good evening.